Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and time zone setting. So let's first of all turn off those options. Let's tap on this switcher, the time zone switcher, and also location to set time zone. So we can turn it off, and thanks to this, activate the date, time, and the time zone options. So let's tap on it. And as you can see in the date, we have to simply choose it from the calendar, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and choose it from this clock, confirm it with OK, and of course it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Let's change the time zone also, tap on the region, and of course you can type the name of the region if you want to. If not, you can just scroll, find your region and tap on it. So for example this one, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. There we've got also the time format. We are using automatic local default, but of course we can turn it off and use either 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Just turn off this option. Alright, so this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers, which will apply the automatic options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.